Ukertongkan National People Party na Renikor Constituency, Martin M. Danggo, Ubalarisan no Naka Party, Mentakasni, Hakashitarik Urumpang, Ulapin yaso no LD, Shaka Bharatiya Janata Party, Nakabanta Bani Aireng, Shaka Election Banjit, Yakinong Mikmat, Shaka Ying Dorbatho An Kajala, Manlong Hak Arpinutarik Mentau Bunai. Yauba Martin M. Danggo, Lambat Yakinong Kershan, Napjang Soba, Shaka BJP, Dau MLA, Kan 19 South Shillong, Uba Sanbor Shulai, Hakajin dan lang ringkat bat kihe nongket kam jong ke BJP. Nakaliang jong Martin M. Danggo, habakran lapan pa bawat lada, lapan skem ya kum kertong ke NPP, hakatayo beladap, Martin lapan pa, bau syanya teli, hakajing sutu jong nongïalam bagi nong kersan jong bat ban pin kongu yala di hakamon joki.
We welcome you, Danggo. I have the opportunity to work with him in the Meghalaya District Assembly together over there, and we are in the same government during those days. And I must congratulate Danggo under your leadership, and along with all your supporters, that you are a far-sighted social and political leader by joining the party, one of the largest, the biggest party in India. And the party also is having a power, who is running the government of our country, India. So we work hard together, we work hard, meet Danggo, your will be the company, majority. After winning, you will see. Once you work with the BP, you will see all your scheme will be recommended direct from Ministry of Home Affairs, Government of India. So hope for the best. We pray for each other, and we will work hard to see that at least we could secure, we should with 10 to 15 seats to lead the government, like as of today in Nagaland. 98% Christian in the last Christian population. In the last 2018 election, they have given a BJP-led government in Nagaland. So we do hope here also, see how much is Nagaland developed within a short span of 5 years. So we do hope here also, once Danggo win, we will get the same. And we'll have the liberty to work with the BJP.
In your presence, in your BJP family, my esteemed colleagues, who are my leaders, who are my supporters, who are my diehards, their presence, I would like to thank them also. Without their support, without their moral support especially, I would not have taken such kind of decision. So on the 30th of this last month, my leaders have held a meeting in Shillong Club. So they have unanimously decided to resign en masse from the NPP party and to switch over to BJP party. So it is not my alone decision. It is a unanimous decision of my colleagues, whom I rely on all the time. So therefore I am grateful to them for seeing that, for their thinking of future of my constituency, of my constituency. So therefore, while thanking my colleagues, I also request them, because in a short time, now it will be difficult on my part alone as a candidate to tour all over the constituency and to cover up, because we have already organized long time back the party which we have left. However, it's a new chapter, new beginning. So it is with my little support and with your moral support that only will be possible. So we are new to your party. I don't know your manifesto, I don't know your constitution. I am yet to know your ideology. I will not speak about it. So kindly guide us in our journey during these elections. So friends, it is my humble request once again, after this meeting, I request especially my leaders and my supporters to work hard, not to take it easily during these elections, because of the limited time, I just rely on you. So with a blessing from the state level organization, we expect, I don't know who is the mandal president organization in our constituency. So I would like to request, appeal to you, not although we cannot come through him, through the state, kindly give your valuable suggestion to them, not to misunderstand me, just because we have come directly to the state level. We are all ready, all my friends are ready to cooperate and work under him, whoever the president may be, I don't know. So just my appeal and request is from you to the state level, can give guidance and direction to your mandal presidents or organization, as well as to my leaders also. We will definitely cooperate with you all, and we look for in the future through your party, through our party now, not your party, not through our party, to serve my people, the people of the state and the state of Meghalaya in a better way.
Jungi mentala dei kapor ka jingkela kisur ngin pensawa lawan kapor ka jingkela rilum jungi mentala dei kapor ka jingkela kisur ngin pensawa lawan kapor ka jingkela